Hello everyone, welcome to accountancy class. I am Divya, lecturer in commerce, GSIPU College, Mysore. In the previous class we discussed about 12 marks problem. Today in this session let us discuss the 12 marks problem relating to financial statement 2 chapter session 3. Let's get started with one more example problem. The following is the trial balance of Kolkata Stores Davangere. You are required to prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 2016 and prepare balance sheet on that date. So debit as well as credit balance is given here. So opening stock 20,000, furniture 10,000, drawings 10,000. Purchases 95,000, bad debts 2,000, carriage 5,000. Bank deposit 15,000, bank charges 1,000, coal, gas and water 8,000, trade expenses 4,000, rent, rates and taxes 7,000, debtors 20,000, capital 64,000, sales 1,10,000, bank overdraft 10,000, bad debts provision 5,000, bills payable 6,000, apprenticeship premium 2,000. So total of the debit and credit balance is 1,97,000. Adjustments. Closing stock rupees 10,000. Further bad debts rupees 2,000. New provision at 5% on debtors and discount on debtors at 3%. Interest on drawings at 6%. Depreciate furniture at 10%. Apprenticeship premium received in advance rupees 500. So after going through the question, first identify the items which belongs to trading account, profit and loss account as well as balance sheet, and adjustment related to trading account, profit and loss account as well as balance sheet. Here in this question, opening stock, it is recorded in trading account, furniture in balance sheet, drawings balance sheet, purchases trading account, bad debts profit and loss account, carriage, here carriage inward or outward is not specified here. So here carriage is treated as carriage inward, so it is recorded in trading account, bank deposits balance sheet, bank charges profit and loss account, coal, gas and water trading account, trade expenses profit and loss account, rent, rate and taxes profit and loss account, debtors balance sheet. Capital balance sheet, sales trading account, bank overdraft balance sheet, bad debts provision profit and loss account, bills payable balance sheet, apprenticeship premium profit and loss account. So what is apprenticeship premium? Amount charged from a person to whom training is imparted by business is known as apprenticeship premium. Next, closing stock rupees 10,000 once it is recorded in trading account and again in balance sheet asset side. Further bad debts and new provision 5% on debtors and discount on debtors is there. It is recorded in profit and loss account as well as in balance sheet. Interest on drawings at 6%, profit and loss account again in balance sheet. Depreciate furniture at 10% once in profit and loss account again in balance sheet. Apprenticeship premium received in advance rupees 500 once it is recorded in profit and loss account and again in balance sheet. Write the heading measures Kolkata Stores Davangere trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 2016. Then write debit as well as credit, expenses and losses, amount, revenues and gains and amount. In the trading account, the first item is opening stock to opening stock 20,000. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್, ದೆನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, 2 purchases. So in this question there is no purchase return is there, so record the item in the outer column. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ purchase return ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, so purchasesನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 95,000. Next one, sales is given in the question, so by sales amount is 1,10,000. Next one, carriage is given to carriage amount is 5,000. So carriage inward or outward is not specified in the question, so I treated carriage is inward here. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯೇಜ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಟು coal, gas and water is given, so it is a direct expense, so it is recorded in trading account. Amount is 8,000. Next, the items which are given in the trial balance, it is recorded in trading account. So now see the adjustment. First adjustment, closing stock is given rupees 10,000. Record on the credit side of the trading account by closing stock. Amount is 10,000. First find which amount column is more here. Here debit column is 1,28,000. Write the same amount on the credit side, 1,28,000. Now find the difference, that is 8,000 from 1,28,000 minus these two amount, that is 1,20,000. The difference is 8,000. That is by gross loss balance carried down to profit and loss account. So this is debit balance. So bring this debit balance to the debit side of the profit and loss account. ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಟು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ amount is 8,000. So now you go through the trial balance. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, further bad debts rupees 2,000, new provision 5% on debtors and discount on debtors 3% is there. So it is created on the debtors value. So in front of the debtors you should mark star mark, so indicates that there is an adjustment. So third adjustment is interest on drawings. So in front of the drawings, if you mark a star mark, means it indicates that there is an adjustment for drawings. In the same way, in front of the furniture as well as apprenticeship premium, so mark the star mark, that indicates that there is an adjustment. So now bad debts, record that amount in the inner column, 2,000 in the adjustment number 2. So further bad debts is created, that is 2,000. Add further bad debts, amount is 2,000. So further bad debts amount is 2,000, that I already adjusted here. Next one, new provision 5% on debtors. So how to calculate new provision ಆನ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 20,000 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಫರ್ದರ್ bad debts 2,000. After deducting, the balance is 18,000. On 18,000 we should calculate the new provision. New provision on debtors. Now the debtors amount is 18,000 into 5 divided by 100 equals to, that is 900 rupees. 18,000 into 5 divided by 100 equals to 900. So provision for debtors is 900. Add new provision on debtors, that is 900. One more adjustment is there. You should calculate discount on debtors, that is 3%. So after deducting 900, the balance is 17,100. Discount on debtors, that is 17,100 into 3 divided by 100, that is 3%. Less 513 rupees. So after deducting 513, 16,587, this is the actual debtors amount in the business. So discount on debtors is 513. So after adding all these items, the available amount is 5,413. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಮೌಂಟು 5,413 rupees. So from this you should deduct the bad debts provision which is given on the credit side minus. So now see the question. In the trial balance, bad debts provision is there, that is the old provision amount which is created in the previous year, 5,000. So see the trial balance on the credit side, bad debts provision amount 5,000 is there. Now you compare this amount with the old provision. So old provision amount is less than the current year bad debts amount. So 5,413 amount is more than the old bad debts provision. Now you deduct the old bad debts provision, that is 5,000. The balance is 413 rupees, record in the outer column. Provision for bad debts na ನಾವು debtors amount ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡೆಟಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20,000 rupees ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2,000 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 18,000 ಡೆಟಾಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ 18,000 ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೆಟಾಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 18,000 ಇಂಟು 5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100, 900. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 17,100. ಸೊ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ 20,000 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಮೌಂಟು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ 2,000 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 18,000. ಈ 18,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸಿಂದ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು 17,100 rupees ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 20,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? 17,100 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 17,100 ಮೇಲೆ 3% ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 513 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 17,100 18,100 minus 513, the balance is 16,587 rupees. This is the present debtors amount is available in the business. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ 513. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಮೌಂಟು 5,413 rupees ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 5,000. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 5,413. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 5,000 ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5,413 minus 5,000, that is 413. This amount should be recorded in the outer column. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು 6,000 ಇತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ 6,000 ಅಂತ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಈ 5,413 rupeesನ ಅದರಿಂದ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಮೌಂಟು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ expenses amount is 4,000. Next, to depreciation on furniture. So total amount of furniture given in the trial balance is 10,000 into 10 divided by 100 equals to 1,000. Next one is rent, rate and taxes is there 7,000. What are all the items is given in the trial balance? On the debit side it is recorded in the trading and profit and loss account. Now see the credit balance here. Sales it is already recorded. Bank bad debts provision is there, that is already deducted. Next one, apprenticeship premium is there. Ship premium. There is an adjustment. So write the amount in the inner column. Apprenticeship premium received in advance rupees 500. Income received in advance means it should be deducted. So less apprenticeship premium, that is 500 rupees. Outer column 1,500. Next, see the adjustment. First adjustment, it is already adjusted in trading account. Second one, that is adjusted in profit and loss account. Next one, interest on drawings at 6% is there. So it is an income by interest on drawings. The actual drawing amount is 10,000. On 10,000 you should calculate 6%. So 10,000 into 6 divided by 100 equals to 600. Next one, fourth adjustment, depreciate furniture at 10%. So now see the trial balance, the furniture amount is 10,000. So calculate depreciation. 10,000 into 10 divided by 100 equals to 1,000. So all the items given in the trial balance as well as adjustment, it is recorded in the profit and loss account. So let us total the profit and loss account. Here debit column amount is more, that is 21,413 rupees. Write the same total on the credit side, 21,413. Now find the difference, 21,413 minus these two items. The difference is 19,313. This is net loss transferred to capital account. So here debit side amount is more than the credit side. So the answer is net loss. Let us prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 31st/3/2016. Liabilities, amount, assets as well as amount. So our first one, furniture is there in the trial balance. Furniture amount is 10,000 less depreciation 1000 we already calculated in the profit and loss account. Balance difference is 9000. Next, drawings is there. So it should be deducted from the capital. So first take the capital amount. Capital right in the inner column 64,000. So if any additional capital is there, it should be added. If any net profit is there in the current year, it should be added. But now we got net loss, that's why it should be deducted from the capital. Net loss 19,313 after deducting 44,687 rupees. Next, deduct drawings 10,000 after deducting 34,687. So this year we calculated the interest on drawings in profit and loss account. So interest on drawings 600 after deducting the total capital available is 34,087 rupees. Next, see the trial balance. Bank deposit is there. Record this one. Bank deposit. This is investment 15,000. Next one, debtors is there. So record the debtors in the inner column because there is an adjustment 20,000. So from debtors, first deduct the further bad debts. Bad debts, that is 2,000. After deducting, the remaining balance is 18,000. From this 18,000, again deduct new provision on debtors, that is 900 rupees. After deducting, the balance is 17,100. Again deduct the discount on debtors. Discount on debtors, this we already calculated in profit and loss account, 513 rupees. After deducting, the actual amount available is 16,587. Bank overdraft is there. Record this one on the liability side. Bank overdraft amount is 10,000. Next, bills payable is there in the question. Bills payable amount is 6,000. So whatever given in the trial balance, it is already recorded in balance sheet. So once we check the whether we adjusted all the adjustment or not. First adjustment is relating to closing stock. It is not recorded in the balance sheet. So closing stock 10,000. So second adjustment I already adjusted in balance sheet. Next one, third adjustment, interest on drawings, that also adjusted. Next one, depreciate furniture, that also adjusted in balance sheet. Last one, apprenticeship premium received in advance rupees 500. If income received in advance, it is recorded on the liability side, that is apprenticeship premium 500. So after recording total the balance sheet 50,587. So the asset side also 50,587. Asset is equals to liabilities. So first question nodida takshana question alli ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಥರೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ balance sheet, then it is very easy to solve the problem. So I hope today's session was useful to you all. Thank you.